बताना है हमें।
गाइस वी आर मेकिंग अ व्लॉग टुडे। सो हम आए हैं HCL के साइक्लोथॉन में। यो और
क्या?
अभी हम आपको दिखाते हैं कि लाइक अभी हो रहे 6:30 और 6:30 का टाइम था। These guys are so late, so we'll show you how the preparations are going on. Wait, देखिए ये है HCL साइक्लोथॉन जो हम करने वाले हैं नेहा के साथ। और ये है HCL की बिल्डिंग का छोटी सी है, बहुत छोटी सी है, बट ठीक है चलता है। गाइस हमारी राइड हो गई है एंड वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन। आई विल शो यू व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन हियर। See all the cyclists are here and and it's a fun event. We had a lot of fun.
7,131 to 132,135 and sector 131,132,130.
आवाज कम करते हैं थोड़ी and hope you like watching the vlog. हमें भी बहुत मजा आया साइकिलिंग करके। The pictures are coming really very soon, so I'll be sharing all the pictures on the Instagram ID. Thank you, bye bye. Guys, now I'm back home. और ये जो कृतिन है ना, ये बहुत लगता है अपनी बहन से, बहुत ज्यादा लगता है, बहुत ज्यादा।
एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ, पहले इसके पैर की शक्ल दिखाओ।
क्यों?
तो ऐसे करने वाला।
तो गाइस मैं बना रही हूँ आज की सब्जी। पता नहीं कैसी बनेगी, आलू टमाटर की सब्जी। So hi everyone, so this is my studio. Yeah, this is my camera with which I shoot with. It's Canon EOS R6 Mark II, and I'll show you some things, you know, which I use for the photography. These are the diffusers that we have. It's a round one. Okay. There are 3-4 things inside. You can, you know, search it on the Amazon. And this is one setup which I created for Valentine's Day. This all, you know, I made it. So it took me entire like 2 days to create this setup. I'll show you the pictures with it. Plain white background. We can create 3 backgrounds at a moment. We just, you know, need to pull up the pulley and the other background will come down. This is a big diffuser that I have. It's from Godox. So yeah, it's from Godox. Hope you will like it. And there are some props which I have kept inside them, you know, and there are other props which are kept there. You can see the silver ball there. So for the photography, I generally use these lights, this light and this light and this light. These are the external flash that I use for photography. And yeah, hope you like the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. So guys, these are the few shoots which I did recently on the setup which I had shown you earlier. Hope you guys love the setup. I too really love the pictures. What do you say about it? Let me know in the comments below. So hi everyone, sharing the last glimpse of the photographs that were clicked by the professional photographer yesterday in the event. Hope you guys loved watching the vlog, and thank you so much for watching. Keep liking and keep subscribing the channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you. Tada, bye bye.